Gathering, the board of JGHS, our beloved Kora. I earnestly welcome all my family members to this great meet. Dhyananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatika Krutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmai. Being a responsible citizen of this country, more than that, responsible citizen of this profession, it's our primary duty to bow our head in front of Goddess Saraswati as well as her boss Hayagriva. And I bow my head in front of you people also. You are also in the image of Goddess Saraswati and Hayagriva, irrespective of your religion, because God has given such kind of a great platform to you. So it's my innate feel. Today's distinguished personalities, extraordinary educational profile they possess, honorable pillars of this organization, who represents the director and principal of SVJC organizations, as well as distinguished one more personality, Ram Reddy sir, director and principal of SVJC organizations, my lovable brother Santosh Reddy sir, and both principals, JP Garu, Jyoti madam, my brother Rajkumar, vice principal Hindu, the mother of this organization, Kamlina ma'am, daughter Anu, as well as Nagaraniga. At the outset, I would like to extend my warm thanks to each and every pillar of these two organizations. Reason, you have really given outbest service. I feel more than level best. You have tried to give the best one. Sometimes it may happen because we are human beings. We can't provide 100 to 100% success. But whatever the things are required, by watching Kamlina ma'am's way of presentation, I feel she expressed it again, because you are children only. Sometimes, and what we can say, knowingly, unknowingly, she uttered also, my children. Then she corrected teachers, because she treats everyone like that one. So I hope you can understand whatever we want to exhibit in front of you, that was clearly disclosed by my mom, Kamlina ji. Absolutely, I extend my sincere thanks on behalf of SVJC organization for your wonderful message. You know very well, SVJC always stands for great homage. Just I am collecting before coming to this great meet. Actually, we started our journey in SVJC 2002-03. Myself and Ram Reddy sir. In the span of less time, our professor also joined with SVJC. I think by the grace of God, because of his great benedictions, we got chance to lead this program with our own hands. It might be 2009. 2009, we started our journey as a family of. It has come into our hands. From that day onwards, we have been following one tradition. Whatever the success, whatever the event, whatever the celebration, we want to just attribute to all my beloved family members. ఏ చిన్న సందర్భమైనా, ఏ చిన్న సెలబ్రేషన్ అయినా, ఏ చిన్న ఈవెంట్ అయినా ప్రకృతికి విరుద్ధంగా, మిగతా సమాజానికి విరుద్ధంగా, మిగతా ఆర్గనైజేషన్కి విరుద్ధంగా ఎస్విజేసి ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్న, టీచింగ్, నాన్ టీచింగ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఏరియా దే మే బిలాంగ్ టు, బట్ వీ డిసైడెడ్ టు అడాప్ట్ దెమ్ యాజ్ అవర్ ఓన్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్. We never have unnecessary ego in our mindset. The day onwards, that's the reason. Mara culture manchido kaado kuda తెలియట్లా. అప్పుడు బాధ అనిపిస్తాం. She has already expressed. The bell to bill లాగా ఉంటేనే కరెక్ట్ టైం ఒకరి సందర్భంలో ఆర్గనైజేషన్. Even in number of times we used to call you as a sister or maybe brother, whatever the corner it is. But sometimes I think they are misusing whatever the concern we are showing. They feel it's a privilege, it's a pleasure, but they are unable to understand whatever the concern people are rendering to us, because to make grand success, whatever the responsibility, whatever the belief the parents showing on us, adi paripurnanga success కావడం కొరకే మా ప్రయత్నం అని భావిస్తా ఉన్నాం. అందుకే ప్రతి సంవత్సరం చివరి అకాడమిక్ ఒక మంచి ఆహ్లాదకరమైన వాతావరణం. నెక్స్ట్ టైం మనకున్న బిజీ షెడ్యూల్లో డిఫరెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్లో మనం ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ నుంచి స్టెప్ అవుట్ అయిపోయినా ద జర్నీ విత్ JGHS, ద జర్నీ విత్ కోరా, ద జర్నీ విత్ SVJC ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అనేది ఎప్పటికీ ఒక మెమొరీ లాగా ఉండాలని ఒక చిన్న కాంటెంట్. ఎవరి కొరకో మా యొక్క సిద్ధాంతాన్ని మార్చుకునే సీన్ లేదండి. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి వచ్చేసిన అతిథులు మీ అందరికీ కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా శిరస్సు వంచి స్వాగతం పలుకుతా ఉన్నాను. So meanwhile, before going to dine with you, I request Varaprasad sir, please do us about this gathering. 1-2 minutes, please.